Windshields, wheels, trucks, and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song. Cars! Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars. The little cars have found lots of colorful blocks on the playground. What should they do with them? The yellow car pulls out a block. Hooray! Let's build a colorful tower. The cars bring the first row of blocks. First, let's arrange a circle on the ground. It looks like a sun with colorful rays. It's time to build the second floor. One, two. The blocks won't stay in place. They're falling over. We need cranes. The more, the better. Let's paint them in different colors to make things easier. The first crane will be red. The second crane will be green. The third will be blue. The fourth will be yellow. And the fifth, the most beautiful, pinky purple. The helper cars arrived so quickly at the playground. Do you think they will build fast too? First, let's move the blocks that aren't in the right places. Let's arrange them more evenly. The red crane lifts the blue blocks, and the green crane lifts the purple ones. They're going so fast! The tower turned out tall and very beautiful. Wow! Thank you. Can we go to the very top? Of course we can. After all, the crane is strong and powerful. And now come down, little car. It's dangerous to be so high up. Guess what the little cars will do now? Of course, play! The toy cars will pull out blocks one by one. Whoever makes the tower fall over loses. The beginning of the game seems very simple. The cars easily pull out the blocks. Blue, purple, green. But now there are fewer and fewer blocks. The tower is no longer as sturdy. The bottom layer cannot be touched anymore. Otherwise, the tower will fall. The crane lifts the red car. Maybe if we pull out a block from higher up, the tower won't fall. It didn't fall. Still standing. It's still up. The yellow car tries to pull out a block from the bottom. The tower wobbles. Bang! The blocks scatter. The yellow car lost, but it was a lot of fun. The car really enjoyed it. Shall we play again? The cars really enjoyed it. Shall we play again? Time to rebuild the tower. Luckily, the little cars have the big helper cars here.
Cars, cars, cars. Windshields, wheels, trucks and doors. They drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song. Cars! Cars, 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 cars. Made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
This is the helper car's garage. The excavator, the fire truck with its ladder, and the cement mixer are leaving the garage. They all have different tasks to do. The barrier is going up. They can drive through. Oh, a screw on the road. Where did it fall from? The red car has found the screw. It's calling its friends over. Cars, let's have a think. Who might have lost a screw? The cars are playing with the screw as though it's a ball. That's a bad idea. Someone might need that screw back to complete their task. It could be the excavator. Imagine it's lowering its bucket into a pit, scoops up the dirt, and the bucket falls off. Or maybe the cement mixer lost this screw. It'll lift up its drum. The cement mixture will start pouring out, and then the wheel from the lifting mechanism will break off, and the cement will just keep pouring onto the ground. Or the fire truck could have lost this screw. Then it will start to put out a fire, and the water cannon will fall off. The cars have decided to go find out who lost the screw. They went up to the fire truck. The fire truck is saving a kitten. She can't get down from the tree. The fire truck managed fine. It's not broken. The yellow car is taking the screw to the excavator. The excavator is digging a deep pit. Its bucket is still attached, so it didn't lose the screw. The cement mixer is lifting up its drum. It's not broken either. Who lost this screw on the road then? What do you think? Cars, let's go look. Oh, a traffic jam. What's happened on the road ahead? The barrier isn't opening. Ah, a screw has fallen out of the barrier. Maybe that was the screw the cars found? The crane truck is lifting up the barrier rail and putting it back in place. The manipulator is tightening the screw. Hooray! Now the barrier works again. The helper cars drive back up to the second floor of their garage. There will be new tasks tomorrow. Well done, cars. Thanks for your help.
Cars, cars, cars. Windshields, wheels, trucks and doors. They drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song. Cars! Cars, 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 cars. Made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The large truck is carrying gravel in its bed. It's driving by a bus stop. Hello, puppy. The bus will be here soon. Oh, the truck went over a bump and some gravel spilled onto the road. Other cars drive directly over the gravel, scattering it in all directions. Some small stones even reach the bus stop. Here comes the bus. It stops, and the other cars drive around it. Oh, the stones are flying straight into the bus's windshield, and the headlight is shattered. Little car, look what happened. The bus needs help. It can't drive on like this. This is the helper car's garage. Knock, knock, knock. Who will help us today? A bus, a street sweeper, and a tow truck drive out of the garage. The helper cars head to the bus stop. The tow truck will take the broken bus to the repair shop. The blue bus will transport the passengers. Puppy, hop on. The street sweeper will collect the scattered gravel. There are a lot of stones, but it does an excellent job. Hooray! The road is clear. The tow truck and the bus go into the repair shop. First, we need to carefully remove the cracked glass. Let's do it with suction cups. Let's unscrew the broken headlight. A new one needs to be installed in its place. Which one will fit? Let's choose. Green. The headlight is in place. Now, let's find a windshield. There's nothing suitable here on the shelves. Where can we get a windshield? Any ideas? The red car has come up with something. It's a glass transporter, a large truck that carries big sheets of fragile glass. Excellent! We need to carefully take off a windshield with suction cups and put it on the bus. Perfect! The bus is like new. It's ready to take passengers again. Thanks for the repair. The glass transporter loads the remaining glass back into its bed. And the bus has returned to the stop. Have a safe journey.
Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song. Cars! Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The little cars are playing with a ball. The red, green, and yellow. Oh, the ball hit a tree. It popped. A branch punctured it. A flat ball. Funny, but you can't play with it like that. Let's go fix it. What's that? The red car is staring at a hot air balloon in the sky. Hey, let's go. We need to inflate the ball and patch the hole. We can do that at the repair shop. Knock, knock, knock. The manipulator is at work. Hello, please come in. The manipulator takes the toolbox. I wonder what's inside. Glue and a piece of fabric. We'll make a patch out of this. Like this. Now there's no hole anymore. But the ball is still flat. This is a pump. We need to fill the ball with air. Well done. Hey, we can play soccer again. But the red car doesn't want to play soccer. It wants to fly in a hot air balloon. What do we do? In this box are inflatable balloons. Here they are. Let's try blowing up the blue balloon. It doesn't float up. Do you know why? It needs to be filled with a special gas called helium. Shall we try? There is helium in this tank. It's a gas that is lighter than air. Look, the balloon is flying up. The cars are happy. They filled many balloons with helium. A lot. And attached a basket to the balloons. The basket is going up. The red car jumped into it. You're too heavy. Helium won't lift you up that easily. How do real balloons fly? The cars decided to find out. Here, helper cars are assembling and launching big hot air balloons into the sky. A basket for passengers is attached to each balloon. And this is the fabric for a big balloon. The puppy is already taking off. He greets the cars. This is another hot air balloon that the helper cars have just assembled. These burners heat the air. Then, soon after, the balloon will float up. Cars, jump in. Take off the weight. Let's go. Such beautiful hot air balloons. Now the helper cars can return to their garage. What awaits them tomorrow? We'll find out soon.